What if I told you that there are free AI tools so powerful they can replace hours of work every single day? Most people only know ChatGPT, but hidden behind the headlines are AI tools that can write emails, summarize meetings, create presentations, perform research, and automate repetitive tasks. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can save you hours every week. Tool number 1. ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to write emails, create content, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, and build business plans. The secret is using detailed prompts instead of simple questions. Perplexity combines AI with real-time web search. It provides sources, making it excellent for research, learning, and fact-checking. Notion AI helps organize notes, summarize meetings, create task lists, and improve productivity. Perfect for professionals and business owners. Canva AI can create presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, images, and marketing materials in minutes. ElevenLabs creates realistic AI voiceovers and is widely used by content creators, YouTubers, and businesses. The biggest mistake people make is trying every AI tool at once. Pick one tool, solve one problem, master it. Then move on to the next tool. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Comment below and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity hacks, and online business ideas.